Hello and welcome back to the extra financial payment spreadsheet edition. Here, now going to start and calculate the cumulative principal, then calculate balance, decide interest, and then the investment option section. Okay, so this will require an if statement. So this is how to calculate cumulative principal. Okay, so good so far. Okay, now into the balance section. If statement once again. Zero. Okay. Okay, now into the save interest. This will require an if statement. Zero. Okay, now let's go into the investment section. Calculate the investment option number 1, which is an if statement. €150 is the answer for investment number 1. Okay, now let's go and calculate the interest gained. Okay, 0. Okay, now to the investment value. Here's how to calculate investment value. So good so far. Okay, now on to the investment option number 2, which is an if statement once again. Zero. That's the answer for investment option number 2. Okay, interest gains for investment number 2. Okay, now into the investment value. Okay, now let's try and demonstrate the investment graph. So let's see what happens if I change this to 8%. Okay, 10%, 12% I should say. Okay, let's change this back to 6.42. Okay, let's go and have a look at the comments. Comment added to the spreadsheet. Okay, it's the annual interest rates. It assumes a fixed annual interest rate. The annual interest rate is 7%, then the monthly interest rate is 7 divided by 12. Yeah, it's very good. Term loan. The term loan is specified in years, but the spreadsheet assumes that payments are made monthly. Extra monthly payments. The additional payments made each month goes towards paying off the principal. This spreadsheet assumes that the extra payment is a fixed amount that is paid every month. Number of payments. The very last payment will usually be less than your typical monthly payment if you have made extra payments. Payoff. This is the number of years. This is the number of years that will take to pay off the loan when making extra payments each month. Interest savings. This is the amount of money you save by making extra payments, since the extra payments means you end up paying less total interest, which is true. And making extra mortgage payments cost the money. And alternate savings plan totally provides a better interest rate. After the loan is paid off, include the monthly payment in the monthly investment. And then one last comment is the investment number 2. After the loan is paid off, invest the monthly payment including the amount of the monthly extra payment in an alternate savings plan. Assume the same annual interest rate as option number 1. Just click new and add your own comments whenever you want to type it in, and then click on the right arrow. Click here. Once you've said that, your comment will then add into the comment section with your name and your logo name as well. So that is it for today. That is everything calculated professionally. So that's it. So you see, that's very, very complex. So I hope you enjoy this so far. I found this very difficult in my opinion. So it's very handy when you want to handle extra financial payments in a spreadsheet. That's how you lay out and how you calculate it. And that's a chart. Yeah, so that's it for today. So I'm going to stop here and then call it a day. So that's the end of the extra financial spreadsheets. So hope you enjoy this spreadsheet and hope you learn a lot about how to do this and how to calculate and get a clear understanding how to handle extra financial payments. So hope you all stay safe, have a pleasant good evening, wash your hands, and see you all very soon. Adios.